Welcome to Agappe, the fastest growing IVD company in the world, where cutting-edge innovation meets need-based solutions. Our thrust towards innovation and continuous improvement strengthens our dedication to the welfare of mankind. From our humble beginnings in the business capital of India, Mumbai in 1995, to the remarkable heights we have reached today, Agappe's enduring and inspiring legacy of excellence has successfully transcended borders, with the addition of a fully owned subsidiary in Switzerland since 2011, thereby reaching over 90+ countries and serving 70,000 customers worldwide. At Agappe, our dedication to quality begins right from the identifying, selecting, and testing high-grade raw materials from trusted sources in closely controlled environments. As the largest IVD reagent manufacturer, equipped with cutting-edge infrastructure and vastly experienced professionals, we always strive to create affordable and highest quality products that add value to our customers and cater to the ever-rising demand of the growing global healthcare industry. Our stringent quality control meticulously evaluates each product to ensure supreme quality, accurate value assignment, and flawless calibration. Our state-of-the-art 130,000 square feet equipment manufacturing facility is equipped with a dedicated electrostatic discharge protected area, ensuring safety and quality at every stage. Components sourced from trusted partners undergo rigorous testing and stringent quality checks before they are ready for manufacturing. Well-defined process, systems, and trained staff ensures high standards of precision and accuracy for all manufactured products. Quality control and assurance are integrated into every process, guaranteeing top-notch results each time. Each Agappe product is assigned a unique barcode to ensure traceability from factory to end user. With an efficient logistics network, Agappe products reach their destinations promptly, ensuring timely care. Our meticulously packaged and labeled products are carefully housed in a spacious 60,000 square foot warehouse, equipped with walk-in cold rooms to ensure temperature control and ready to deliver reliable results. What distinguishes us from other providers is our fully computerized systems, advanced articulated forklifts, foolproof delivery processes, and extensive pallet capacity. Permissible turnaround time and temperature-controlled packaging is managed through our clearing and forwarding agents and 500+ distributors across the globe. Our world-class R&D program is enriched by the presence of highly skilled and dedicated scientists. State-of-the-art resources and innovative research methodology ensures that we always and consistently deliver our very best. Agappe leads the way in cutting-edge IVD solutions for medical labs worldwide, delivering a comprehensive range of advanced diagnostic solutions. With our extensive product range, Agappe caters to all customer segments across the pyramid. Our clinical chemistry solutions offer a throughput of 120 to 2,000 tests per hour. As pioneers in protein estimation with a patented technology, we support the global population with over 20,000 product installations across 50+ countries. Notably, Agappe was honored for innovation for our flagship MISPA i3, a cartridge-based specific protein analyzer, by the Honorable President of India in the year 2018. Our indigenously developed advanced hematology solutions reflect our commitment to research and innovation, catering to global needs with advanced 3-part cell counters and 5-part differential systems with reticulocyte analysis. In immunology, our premium solutions, developed and manufactured in collaboration with global industry giants, have enabled us to make significant strides across all customer segments and verticals. Our extensive product range also includes equipment for pre-analytics to ensure error-free diagnostics and rapid solutions for diagnosing viral infections like dengue and testing for novel parameters such as Alzheimer's and Triple H. Additionally, our point-of-care testing solutions, tailored for critical care, have built a strong and steadily growing reputation in the market. Every accolade that came our way affirmed our relentless drive for perfection and fueled our quest for innovation. Our certifications and industry associations reflect our growth-oriented approach, commitment to giving back, and dedication to innovation. Our dedicated employees are our cornerstone, striving to deliver nothing but the best. We at Agappe aim to provide them with the best work culture where they can grow, prosper, and exceed their true potential with continuous learning and development. We are a community deeply rooted in the core values of trust, respect, excellence, and care, united by a shared commitment to advancing the welfare of mankind. Seamlessly integrating quality and innovation, our products not only meet your needs, but always surpasses your expectations. What seemed like a dream is now a reality. With Agappe, excellence is not just an aspiration, it's a promise from a total solution provider. Agappe, your best partner in diagnostics.